Hello and welcome to this video walk around of this lovely Toyota CHR. It's the 1.2 petrol model of the vehicle on a 66 plate, as you can see, so 2016/17 model, finished in a gorgeous metallic black with the black alloy wheels. Really does look great together. Great curb presence. This car looks really cool. So this car's only done 19,300 miles altogether, so hardly any miles at all. Really low for the age of the car. And of course it does come with a full service history as well, so well looked after too. It's only a one owner vehicle, so you will be the lucky second owner, which is always great as well. So inside, as you can see, you've got nice leather seats with electric lumbar support. You've got the Toyota multifunction steering wheel on there. You've got the central infotainment screen, which is a really nice size. Does have sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio. You've got dual air conditioning, heated seats as well. USB and an aux down there. Here you've got electric handbrake, auto hold assist as well. There is quite a few safety systems on this car too, so it has the lane assist, so if you are drifting slightly out of lane when you're cruising, it will alert you, as well as the front collision assist as well. So really good, lots of advanced systems on it for safety. In the back, as you can see, you've got a nice amount of space, and of course the leather seats do follow through to the back. Really comfortable and look great as well. Lovely design to the car, as I say. It's got a nice sloped roof, the door handles are up here on the rear doors, and it does give it that really nice sort of sportier look. Similar to the Toyota Yaris GRs, these cars. The rear end is sort of modelled on the GR, it's modelled around these. So I'll show you the boot space here. Nice amount of space in the back. It does have the Toyota CHR boot floor in here as well, the original one as well. So yeah, great amount of room. You can fold your seats back as well if you need to. Keep going here. So we've got the passenger side now. But again, very clean. Really does look great as well, this car. So yeah, passenger side is nice and clean too. But overall, a lovely example, this CHR. And there you go. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please do feel free to inquire and we'll be happy to help. Thanks guys, take care.